to Nest Pretty. Welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday. Welcome to my new office. Welcome to my new closet. Not done yet. My name is Heidi Gammill. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I made the small choice quite some time ago to simplify my wardrobe. And that small choice has just been amazing. I am to the point now where getting dressed is a pleasure. If I have to get dressed really quick, it's no big deal. Packing, it's nothing. I don't even think about it. I used to dread it. I used to hate it. And this is the thought that was in my mind when I used to hate packing. I used to say to myself, I don't even know what I want to wear today. How am I going to know what I want to wear 2 weeks from now when I'm in another place? Interesting. So deciding to simplify my wardrobe and then putting in the work to do so has simplified everything about getting dressed. I enjoy it. It's wonderful. And here's the thing, everything in my closet fits me. Everything in my closet is something I love, and I wear all of it. So I'm here to encourage you. If it is an idea that you've had in your heart and on your mind, then just do it. Just try it. Do a little experiment if necessary, where you maybe choose 10 core pieces and just use that for a week, for 2 weeks, for a month, and observe how you feel about getting dressed in the morning. Now, the best way to do that is just clear everything out of your closet and only have those pieces there, just like you would if you were traveling to Italy for 2 weeks. You would put those 10 core pieces into your luggage. You would choose a couple of pairs of shoes, and then you would have all of your other items like your pajamas and your intimates and maybe a tank top, some loungewear, those things. So with a 10-piece wardrobe, we're talking about 10 core pieces, not extras. Extras are the things that I just mentioned. Bathing suits for sure. That's an extra. So if you travel to Italy for 2 weeks, you're only going to bring 10 core pieces and then the extras, and you're going to put them in the little wardrobe in the Airbnb that you're staying in. You're not going to think about getting dressed at all because you've already made the decisions. You've already chosen very carefully. You've already made sure that the items fit. You already love everything. Otherwise, you would not have brought them to Italy with you. And you just enjoy your vacation. You can do the same thing right here in your home today. Do it for a week, 2 weeks, a month. I dare you, double dare you, triple dog dare you, and notice how you feel about getting dressed. And then you can be like, well, maybe this is a lifestyle that I would like to implement in my life. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am making one choice every day, one small choice. Well, more than one. I'm making a lot of small choices every day, and it's adding up. We're making progress on our little nest here, and I hope to start showing you, sharing it with you, the process. I have to admit, I've been a little overwhelmed because, it's a lot. It's a lot. One thing at a time, though, that's all we can do. But we're making progress, and we're having so much fun. So stay tuned for the closet system, for the door, for all the things, and I hope you have a fantastic day. If you ever want help with your closet, even just having the conversation about it is helpful. Because sometimes the thought running around in your head over and over and over, well, first of all, let's just say the thoughts are exhausting. So the thought I had about packing, exhausting. And it made packing unbearable for me. Like, I would talk about it. I would waste words. I would tell other people how much I hated packing. What a waste of conversation, seriously. So you may have a conversation going on in your head right now about your wardrobe, about your closet, about your routine to get dressed in the morning. If you want to talk about it, go to the link in my bio, hit the page, How to Work with Heidi, and book a coaching call. I'd love to talk to you about your closet, about anything, really. I'm having so much fun coaching people. So much fun. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon.